everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Everybody's having a great day. I have unbagging today from Pandora. I got another surprise, so 2 for 2, not too shabby. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. I have my Pandora spring bracelet. If you'd like to see more of the charms that are on this one, let me know and I'll do a video on it. Or I might just do a video anyways. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the packaging is in these little bags, and the Pandora is bigger than the old packaging, basically. And it's on both sides, these little carriers, and they give you a little sticker. Alright, and today is the last day of the 2 for 1, so definitely take advantage of that because I saved about $60. So they do take the least expensive charm off for free, which is pretty normal. So if you want to get a better discount, then try to get each charm that you're looking for similar in price, and you'll get a better discount doing it that way instead of just getting something for like say $50 and then you get a charm for $95 and then you get a bracelet, you know what I mean? So just keep that in mind, but today is the last day unless they extend it, so they may extend it, but later on I'm going to go on the website and see if I can find some spacers. Because when I was at the Abbotsford Pandora, that's the closest shop to me, they didn't have a lot left. So the spring collection for 2022 is pretty much sold out. But maybe online, you know, who knows. So I'll check that out later. But let's go ahead and get into the unbagging. Alright, so let's take the little sticker. Okay. It's pink inside. Alright, so I have 3 things that I bought. Alright, and they also, if you're looking for these rubber inserts for your clips, I asked the lady there if you could buy these online, and she said no. You have to go into the store and get them. So if you are looking for the clips, you put this on your bracelet, and then you put the clip over it. Alright? But you can only get these in the store. That's what she told me. Alright, so that is a freebie. So that's kind of nice. What's really free, right? Alright, so they give you these little containers, I guess. And you still get the tissue paper, so that's good, but it's black now. Now this is very pretty. I hope. Let me see if I can put it behind something. That seems to work the best. Yeah, you can kind of see. This is rose gold, and this is the deep purple slider. And it matches my other one that I bought yesterday. And I'll leave that video below if you want to take a look and see what I bought yesterday from Pandora. But this is a slider. So you just slide it in, basically. And it's the same on both sides. So now they're making these charms the same on both sides, which is kind of cool because when you put them on your bracelet, all right, let's see here. I'm thinking this is working better. It'll be the same on both sides, so if you do tip up your bracelet or whatever, you get the same design, basically. All right, so this is the deep purple slider, and I'll leave all the information in the description. All right, so that's from the spring 2022 collection. Okay, so that's number 1. We got number 2, same box, same sticker, same tissue paper. Ah. All right, this is a clip. This is the only one that I could really find that was halfway decent in the store. Let's see here. That's what it kind of looks like. Has little crystals. It's gold, gold tone, gold plate, whatever you want to call it. And it's got the crystals all the way around, which is kind of cool. You know what I should do? I should make one of those little, oh, what do you call it? One of those little cardboard things. And then you can have it for the back. That would be a good idea, right? And you can kind of see it better. But see the crystals there? Pretty cool. But it goes all the way around. So this is a clip. So this is going to work out pretty good. All right. And then number 3. Buy 2, get 1 free. Yeah, if you are looking for any Pandora, this is a good time to stock up because you can really save a bunch. But the way that you really save is like what I was saying, try to get everything fairly equal. But it's hard because some things are 50, some things are 100, some things are, you know, whatever. All right, this is the new butterfly. This has like little crystals, and it's got a little flap in the back there. But it's real pretty, and they had a ladybug, but it was pretty little. So I was looking for the caterpillar, but that sold out, so. But the spring collection is like nature and flowers, butterflies, caterpillar, ladybug, things like that. But I thought this was pretty cool. All right, so that's my Pandora for today. Also follow me at susansrstyle on Instagram. And I post pictures every single day. And I am waiting for one more parcel from Betty Says for my Disney haul. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And I'm having a 500 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. It's pretty easy. That's all you got to do. All right. And leave me any comments, thoughts, requests. I read them all and I answer all my comments. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view, and have a great day, guys. Thank you. Bye now.